there, then your father come and arrest you. Let me come and arrest you.
I'm a soldier, Ogasa.
That's even the more reason. That's even the more reason I'm going to lock you up. That's even the more reason. They're telling me you're a soldier. That's even the more reason. I'm going to lock you up. Get out of there.
Sorry, sir.
Get in down there.
Very sorry, sir.
Don't pick two of them. Sit there. Sit down. Put him inside your car. Put him there. Then your father come and arrest you. Let me come and arrest you.
I'm a soldier, Ogasa.
That's even the more reason. That's even the more reason I'm going to lock you up. That's even the more reason. They're telling me you're a soldier. That's even the more reason I'm going to lock you up. Get out of there.
Sorry, sir.
Get in down there.
Very sorry, sir.
This boy, I'm telling you you're a soldier. Just take 4 of them. Damn, lock him up. Telling me you're a soldier. Put him there. You people that want company. Maybe I can arrest 2 of you. No, sir. Come on, the passenger. I'll put you in that room. Then you know. Madam, you're a graduate cabin. You're also taking Okada. And they're taking you one way. And you put it on Facebook. On a road that I've done. Is it good? And they will not hit you. You go and fall and you die. They'll say government killed you. What a shame. And we're all praying that you have a better country. Post it and tell people. This is what the kind of things that you see. In 20 minutes, I'm sure they will still carry another person.